Hello, this is Chris Rosham, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at an Anker wall charger with power delivery. Comes with some documentation. They want to make sure you're happy, so they give you this too. So here's the actual wall charger. These are important because more and more products are using USB Type-C and power delivery. So this is a wall charger for both. And this has a pretty high wattage. But of course, check with your device first before ordering a power delivery product because they do differ in wattages. So this Anker wall charger has 2 ports, as you can see. One USB Type-A port, one USB Type-C power delivery port, and then this light tells you that it's on. And we like that it has a nice satisfying clicking sound once it's in place. So you can use this to charge up your smartphones and tablets, as well as your computers that can handle USB Type-C power delivery. So this is the PowerPort 2 power delivery with one power delivery port and one PIQ 2.0 port from Anker. We like their technology and their quality. Thanks.